Project 3, Task 1. On the session schedule worksheet, insert a function to cell G4 that will filter the data in the dive convention exhibitors table to display only the section titles which are scheduled on the day referenced in cell H2. On the session schedule worksheet, insert a function into cell G4 that will filter the data in the dive convention exhibitors table to display only the section titles which are scheduled on the day reference in cell H2. Okay, to do this, you go to the session schedule worksheet, select it. Okay, so to insert a function to cell G4, you select cell G4. Okay, that will filter the data in dive convention exhibitor table. So you go to the formulas bar and type equals to filter. Okay, equals to filter. So you open the function argument wizard, then the array, just select from cell A3 down, select the whole table. Okay, so include, so which are referenced on the day reference cell H2. So you go to the day column and select it. So day reference cell H2, so equals to H2. Okay, then leave this empty. And leave this empty. So now you click OK. Okay, that is done. Now task 1, mark completed, and task 2. On the exhibitors worksheet, add a conditional formatting rule to the exhibitor name column that applies a yellow fill with a 6.25% gray pattern in the industry if the industry is clothing and the booth size is more than $1,000. Okay, on the exhibitors worksheet, add a conditional formatting rule to the exhibitor name column that applies a yellow fill with a 6.25% gray pattern if the industry is clothing and the booth size is more than $1,000. Okay, to do this, you go to the exhibitors worksheet, select it, and to add the conditional formatting rule to the exhibitor name, so you select the exhibitor name column. Okay, that's done. Then you go to the conditional formatting looking on the home and the styles group, is the conditional formatting, then new rule. Okay, right here in the new formatting rule dialog box, is select, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Right here, type equal to and you open the bracket, and if the industry is clothing, so we go to the check. Okay, in industry, that's B1 is equals to clothing. Okay, all this in quotes, in comma, then booth size is more than 1,000. So for the booth size, just type D1 is more than 1,000. Okay, and close the bracket. So for maths, applies yellow fill. So the fill effect fill, select fill there, and put yellow. Okay, then the pattern style, then the gray pattern. So is 6.25 with a 6.5 gray pattern, 6.25. Okay, 6.25 gray, and click OK. Click OK as well. So that's applied. Okay, so task 2, mark completed. Now task 3. On the session schedule worksheet, use a function to add the current date and time to cell F1. On the session schedule worksheet, use a function to add the current date and time to cell F1. Okay, you go to the session schedule worksheet. So to cell F1, so you select cell F1. Okay, right here you type equals to the current date, just type now. Okay, that's done, then just press enter. Okay, so that's the current date. So task 3 mark completed. Now task 4, remove all duplicate records from the exhibitor worksheet. Do not remove any other records. Remove all duplicate records from the exhibitor worksheet. Do not remove any other records. Okay, so go to the exhibitor worksheet. So just click anywhere in the table to select it. Then you go to the data tab. Then the data tools group, you select remove duplicate. Okay, then click OK. Do not remove any other record. So task 4 mark complete. Now task 5. On the daily schedule worksheet, create a pivot chart that show only the sales and marketing sessions for Thursday. Position the pivot chart so the upper left corner of the chart is in cell D4. On the daily schedule worksheet, create a pivot chart that show only the sales and marketing sessions for Thursday. Position the pivot chart so the upper left corner of the chart is in cell D4. Okay, just go to the daily schedule worksheet. Okay, select it. Okay, insert a pivot chart. Go to the insert tab. Then in the chart group, you just select the pivot chart. Select this. Go to the pivot chart. Select this first. Then you go to the pivot chart. Okay. Let's lock this to the top. Okay, so we do that again. Go to the daily schedule worksheet. Now select the table, then go to the insert tab. Then in the charts group, you select pivot chart. Then you just select OK here. So right here, see for Thursday, actually the sales and marketing section for Thursday. So you come to the day, you select all, then only Thursday, select only Thursday and click OK. On Thursday, then click up that show only sales and marketing section for Thursday. So go to the the track, select only, select all, then select sales and marketing, sales and marketing sessions, and click OK. That is done, and just position the pivot chart so the upper left is in cell D4. This cell D4, and go to chart and just place right here. Okay, so task 5 mark completed. Task 5 mark completed. Okay, so that is done, and great project. Correct?